With strong partnerships in place, the next step is to build your program. In this chapter, we'll walk you through the main steps of setting up a registered apprenticeship. Step 1. The 5 core components of an apprenticeship program. As you start to think through what shape your program will take, be sure to contact the Florida Department of Education Office of Apprenticeship early in your development process. They are the registration agency approved by the U.S. Department of Labor. They can assist in helping you include the 5 core components of a registered apprenticeship program. They are: 1. Build your program for your business. 2. Set up on-the-job training. 3. Include related instruction. 4. Ensure rewards for skill gains. 5. Complete a national occupational credential. Let's walk through each of these. Build your program for your business. As a business, you are the foundation of your apprenticeship program, and the skills needed by your workforce are at its core. This is why your apprenticeship program should be structured for your business and the workforce you need to be successful. Set up on-the-job training. Every program includes structured on-the-job training. Apprentices get hands-on training from an experienced mentor or journey worker at the business for typically no less than 1 year. On-the-job training must be structured, planned, and coordinated. It should be more than a job shadowing experience or a short-term employee induction program. On-the-job training is developed by mapping the skills and knowledge that the apprentice must learn over the course of the program in order to be fully proficient at the job. An apprenticeship must include at least 2,000 hours of on-the-job training. Include related instruction. In addition to on-the-job training, apprentices will need to receive additional instruction that complements their job site learning. This instruction delivers the technical, workforce, and academic competencies that apply to the job. For each year of an apprenticeship program, it is recommended that apprenticeships include a minimum of 144 clock hours or 3 credit-hour courses of related instruction. Related instruction can be provided by a community college, a technical school, or an apprenticeship training school. You may also provide this training yourself. If not, the Florida Office of Apprenticeship or your local education partners can work with you to develop the curriculum needed to satisfy the skills and knowledge requirements of your apprentices. Ensure rewards for skill gains. Apprentices earn while they learn. That means an apprenticeship should be viewed as a paying job, and apprentices are paid from the day they begin, just like an employee. That's because they are your employees. Start by establishing an entry wage and an ending wage while building progressive wage increases throughout your apprenticeship program when skill benchmarks are attained by your apprentices. Keep in mind, apprentices must be paid at least the minimum wage, then earn wage increases as they progress through the program. Complete a national occupational credential. Every completer of a registered apprenticeship program receives a nationally recognized credential issued by the Florida Department of Education. As you build the program, keep in mind that apprenticeship programs are designed to ensure that apprentices master every skill and have all the knowledge needed to be fully proficient for a specific occupation. This is a tremendous benefit to your business as well as your apprentices. These 5 key components are the backbone fundamentals for every apprenticeship. Once you decide how your program will be designed with these features, it's time to customize your business approach. Step 2. Selecting an on-the-job training approach. Apprenticeship programs should be customized to meet the needs of your business and the skill sets of your apprentices. How you progress your apprentices through your program is entirely up to you. Registered apprenticeships are designed to be either time-based, competency-based, or a hybrid-based model. In time-based programs, apprentices complete a required number of hours in on-the-job training and related instruction. In competency-based programs, apprentices progress at their own pace. They demonstrate competency and skills and knowledge through demonstration and proficiency tests as they progress through the program. The hybrid approach combines the attributes of both the time-based and competency-based models using minimum and maximum hour ranges and a successful demonstration of identified and measured competencies. Step 3. Establish a related training model. The training components in your apprenticeship program can be built in different ways. The most important point is to adopt a model that will work best for your business and your apprentices. There are 3 leading apprenticeship models that can serve as the basis for the related training component of your program. The first is a traditional apprenticeship model. In a traditional apprenticeship model, apprentices receive both related instruction and on-the-job training at the same time throughout the program. Related instruction can be based at a school, provided at the job site, or completed online. It can take place during or after work hours. For a front-loaded model, apprentices complete some or all of their related instruction before starting their on-the-job training. This provides the apprentice with the opportunity to learn critical skills required for the first day on the job. Programs can also be built using a segmented model, in which apprentices alternate between related instruction and on-the-job training. Step 4. Identify program leaders. Lastly, you will need to identify the key people and organizational structure to operate the program. Consider who on staff will be a great mentor or journey worker for the apprentices. Is there an individual on staff who can serve as coordinator of the program? What will be your process for signing up apprentices for related instruction? These are just a few questions that the Florida Office of Apprenticeship can help you find solutions for as you build out your program. Identifying these individuals early and providing them the opportunity to collaborate on the development of your apprenticeship program will ensure a stronger and more successful program.